Well, here we are on the Niagara River near Fort Erie. My name's Dan Manzuk from Dan's Dive Shop, and I just wanted to let you know about one of my favorite dives in the Niagara River. Right here at the parking lot near Frenchman's Creek. It's the drift dive from here down to the Barge area. So you can do your entry. You can enter the water down this little slope, and you can get your fins on in the water. The visibility doesn't look too bad. It's about 20 feet deep or so. If you work your way upstream a little bit to about where this bush is, and you go down, straight down from here, straight down and out about 50 yards, you'll find a wreck from the 1800s. There's not a lot of it left, but it's an interesting dive. Once you get through that, if you want, you can drift down the river, and you'll hit 10 feet of water in the shallowest, I think. You'll drift down past Grand Island there on the right, and further down about 2 kilometers, you'll find there's a parking lot that we usually do an exit at, and it's a nice gentle way to get out of the water. It's not a steep slope, so enjoy.